What's the meaning of cranberry? Cranberry. Cranberry.
Cranberry. Cranberry. Cranberry refers to a small, red berry that grows on low-hanging shrubs in acidic bogs. The fruit is tart and often consumed dried or as juice. In addition to their culinary uses, cranberries are known for their potential health benefits due to their high antioxidant content and ability to prevent urinary tract infections. They are also a significant commercial crop, with the majority of production taking place in North America. Overall, cranberries are a unique and versatile fruit that offer both nutritional and economic value.